Phoebe. Ha. Got a haircut. So cute. Look at that. Oops. There you go. Phoebe. Look at her. Got a nice haircut. So cute now. She used to be all fluffy. Now she's down to nothing. Pretty funny. Well, now I gotta show you outside. I still haven't showed you it. So, let's go around. This is our backyard here. See? This is palm trees. Pretty nice. Then this is our lake in the backyard. It's really long. Kayak in there and everything. Pretty big. And this is where I fish over here. There's some big catfish that come in there. It's pretty cool. Now I have to go show you my sister. There's the kayak that I use here in Florida. Pretty nice. Fishing rod over there. And that. We had some ducks. They're over there. Those white things. I can't. Wait. I think I can zoom in. They're all the way over there. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go back inside the house. There's Alexa, my sister. Alexa! Say hi! Alexa, say hi! There she goes. Well, there's something else to show you. Oh yeah, my board's still there. There's my other board. That's pretty cool. Shoes and everything. Oh, I have to show you. Let me go. Let's go upstairs. Have to show you my new belt. Checkered all the way around. Pretty cool. My new pants, shorts. And I'm gonna get some new shorts. Oh yeah, they got my new dress shirt right here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Well, that's it. Bye.